A thriving city is where people want to live, work, and visit. Each year, Baltimore welcomes over 25 million tourists, and innovation has made Airbnb a very popular choice. There are currently over 2,000 active Airbnb accommodations in Baltimore City alone. Our city is missing out on a major source of revenue that we would normally get from hotels. Pay the Tax, Get the Facts supports this new innovation in housing by having an occupancy tax administered by Airbnb. This is the first step to capture this lost revenue and to do it fairly. If our hotels collect it, why not Airbnb and other platforms? Major cities like Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. already work with Airbnb, so this occupancy tax can be collected from the guests with no extra work. If Airbnb doesn't collect this tax, then it is more difficult for everyone. We don't want this to happen in Baltimore. We want our leaders to make the right move and partner with this innovation. This initiative supports 3 phases. In the first phase, let's have our city officials work with Airbnb and other short-term housing platforms to establish a mandatory occupancy tax collected from all guests. This is typically a sales tax and a local fee for use, such as a room tax or a hotel tax. The second phase will be to begin the registration process for all Airbnb dwellings with a 100% compliance goal by the end of this year. Monitoring can then begin for any civil disruptions for noise or inconvenience to any neighborhood for the fiscal year of 2019. In the third phase, we will review the registrations on a yearly basis, and the council will identify current issues and find ways to help fix the problems. We are on the verge of doing this right. Let's start by capturing this lost revenue for Baltimore and its citizens. We can then get to work collecting more information to legislate effectively. We need to hear all voices and get the facts.